Sonu told Monu, when I was as old as you are now, then your age was 4 years less than half of my present age. If the sum of present ages of Sonu and Monu is 61 years, then what is Monu's present age in years? So let's see how to work it out. To understand the situation, I have taken a table. So the first row indicates name. So two people are in discussion, so Sonu and Monu. Second row is about present age. So let us assume the present age of Sonu is S years and present age of Monu is M years. Now as per the question, the sum of present ages of Sonu and Monu is what? 61 years. इसका मतलब यह है कि S plus M इन्होंने कितना दे दिया? 61. तो यहां से मैं लिख सकता हूं S equals what? 61 minus M. So let me call this as first equation. Also, according to question, Sonu told Monu, when I was as old as you are now. That means when Sonu was equal to Monu's present age. So now Monu's present age is what? M. So when Sonu was M years, then Monu present age was 4 years less than half of Sonu's present age. Now Sonu's present age is S, so half of that will be S by 2, and Monu was 4 years less than that. So we have the age in the second situation as well, but still we don't have second equation with us. So to understand from where we'll get the second equation, let us try to analyze the situation. Now I am taking two people A and B, and let's say present age of A is 10 years and B is, let's say, 7 years. So if I'll ask what is the difference in age of A and B, of course you'll reply 10 minus 7, that is 3 years, correct? Now let's say after 5 years. So after 5 years A will become 10 plus 5, that is 15. B will become 7 plus 5, that is 12. And if you see the difference in age, so 15 minus 12, so still it remains what? Same. That means if in two situations ages of two people are known to you, so the difference in age in both the situation will remain same. So that is the catch in this question. So the first situation, present age we have known to us, so the difference will be S minus M. In the second case it will be M minus S by 2 minus what? 4. So this I can simplify. So 2S minus 2M, 2M minus S plus 8. So rearranging, so we'll get 3S minus 4M equals what? 8. So this I can call it as second equation. Now from first I can see S is what? 61 minus M. So in place of S I am going to put what? 61 minus M. So minus 4M equals what? 8. So here I'll get 3 ones are 3 and 3 6s are 18, 183. So minus 3M minus 4M equals what? 8. So this will give minus 7M equals what? 8 minus 183. So that means 7M equals 175. So this will give M equals what? 175 by 7. So that is 25. So that means Monu's present age is how much? 25 years. So it was a nice question. So the answer is going to be 25 years. If you like the question, please click the like button and also share the question with your friends. Thank you so much for seeing the solution.